The Spectrum TV app's Wi-Fi not recognized error primarily arises from security protocols designed to verify you're on your authorized home network. The app needs to confirm your location to prevent authorized access, typically through precise location permissions enabled via your device's GPS or Wi-Fi triangulation. Spectrum also identifies your home Wi-Fi using a combination of your network name, SSID, IP address, and MAC address. If any of these factors change due to router setting adjustments or ISP updates, the app may fail to recognize your network. This issue affects approximately 15 to 20% of users, according to recent data. Common culprits include disabled location permissions, router reboots changing the IP address, or even using a VPN, which masks your actual location. Understanding these underlying reasons is the first step to resolving the problem effectively. Ensure your app is updated to the latest version, 25.2.0, as of July 2025, as updates include improved Wi-Fi detection with enhanced GPS and IP geolocation checks. First, ensure location permissions are enabled for the Spectrum TV app in your device settings. Next, restart your router and modem to refresh your network connection and IP address. Clear the app's cache and data in your device settings. Toggle airplane mode on and off to reset network connections. Verify that your device is connected to your home Wi-Fi network and not using cellular data. If the problem persists, try forgetting and reconnecting to your Wi-Fi network. Some users have found temporary success by disabling location services, restarting the app, and then re-enabling location services. For advanced troubleshooting, contact Spectrum support and request a network unlock code. Use AI-driven diagnostic tools via the Spectrum support portal and ensure your router firmware is up to date.